What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today with another installment of my Dare to Dream series. In this series, I give you guys a closer look at shoes that aren't as commonly seen on YouTube, including older Heat releases and shoes that just have a special meaning to me. So today, we'll be taking a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the European exclusive Gym Red colorway. These Jordan 1s originally dropped back in June of 2014. The official colorway for this shoe is Gym Red and Sail, and these retailed for a US equivalent price of $140. Back in 2014, while the Air Jordan 1 was very popular, it wasn't at the same level of hype as it is today. Back then, if I can remember correctly, I think the Royal ones from 2013 were one of the highest reselling Jordan 1s of that time, and I think they were going for about 900 to 1,000 Canadian dollars. Comparing that to today where the Union Jordan 1s or the Travis Scott Jordan 1s resell for over 2,000 Canadian dollars. So I think you can say that about sneakers in general, where right now we're kind of in another level and the resale bubble is just at an absolute high that we've never seen before. Still, that's kind of all besides the point, and I think these Gym Red Jordan 1s has always been a little bit slept on. As far as I know, this pair never dropped in North America, but even to this day, relatively speaking, I don't think the resale prices on this pair are too bad. You could definitely find these for under $500 US, and I think if you're in the market for paying resale for Jordan 1s, this is a very good option to cop. So taking a deep dive into the shoe, the base layer of the sneaker, as you can see on the toe box, this is constructed out of this red colored suede. This suede has a very nice softness to it, and we have these perforations found throughout the toe box, which is a common trait you see on the Jordan 1s. Wrapping around the outer edge of the toe box, here we have a soft gym red colored leather. You'll see this gym red leather cover the sides of the shoe on the mid panel as well, and then stitched on top on both sides of the sneaker, we have the Nike swoosh, which is constructed out of the sail colored leather. This leather also has a very nice softness to it, and overall it felt pretty nice. On the ankle collar area of the lateral side only, we have the Air Jordan Wings logo, which is pressed on in this shiny sail or off-white colored finish. Surrounding the top ankle collar area, we see more of that suede that we found previously on the toe box, and then the remainder of the back heel of the shoe is covered in leather. For the laces, these come standard with a flat red style lace, but they do give you a secondary pair of white laces if you want to swap the look and give the shoe some added accent and a bit more pop. Underneath the laces, we have your traditional Jordan 1 nylon tongue. This is also done in the same gym red color, and at the very top we have this Nike Air tag, which is done in a combination of red and sail. Taking out the insoles, these come with a red colored insole with Nike Air branding stamped on the heel in sail. So the upper of these Jordan 1s sits atop your traditional Air Jordan 1 midsole. In this case, this is done in the sail or off-white colored finish. We have this contrasting red stitching that runs across, and then encapsulated within this midsole, but not visible to the eye, we have a Nike Air Sole unit for cushioning. Flipping this pair over to the bottom, here we have your standard Jordan 1 outsole. And in this case, this is entirely done in this gym red colored rubber. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot, and it's finished off with Nike branding right in the center. So that covers pretty much all you need to know about these Jordan 1s. From a sizing standpoint, I found that Jordan 1s in this time frame fit a little bit more snug than the recent Jordan 1s we've been seeing in the past few years. So for myself, my feet are a little bit wider, so I feel more comfortable going up a half size. However, your mileage may vary. If you have narrow or normal width feet, then true to size should be fine. I just personally find that they fit more snug from a width perspective than recent Jordan 1s. Beyond that though, the comfort on these Jordan 1s is pretty standard, nothing too special here, feels very flat to the ground, very stable, but not much from a softness standpoint. So that pretty much breaks down all I gotta say about these European exclusive Air Jordan 1 Gym Reds. For me, part of the fun about sneaker collecting is the chase, and I can appreciate when retailers do these regional exclusives just like these. So let me know in the comment section down below how you guys feel about these Gym Red Air Jordan 1 highs. How do you guys feel about this colorway of this shoe? And I know wearing predominantly red sneakers is a little bit played out, but is this something that you would still rock? Or do you feel like they're overrated and out of style? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next installment of the Dare to Dream series.